what is the value of a property condition assessment report, particularly if something seems like it's not there or missing? What's the value of the report then? I'm Britt from WB Treese Consultants and WBTC3.com. We just did a video answering why there may be limitations on a commercial inspection that are either for safety or for access. If the report is limited, it does not diminish its value. Here's why. That report was a bargain for fee ahead of time before the site visit. It cannot be based on findings, because then the inspector would be incentivized to essentially to make up more problems with the building. So the fee has to be agreed on and paid ahead of time so that he's able to now inspect with integrity against what he finds in the building. So even if one HVAC unit or part of the roof is not accessible, he's going to use every tool at his disposal, every part of the rest of the building inspection to get the best picture he can for his client. Now, when the client reads that report, they have then received the value of the knowledge of what he found. That report cannot be attacked because of a safety issue. It cannot be attacked because of lack of access. It is a finished product at that point. So there is an idea of unjust enrichment. Sometimes clients will say, well, you didn't get the roof, so it wasn't as good of an inspection. No, well, it was. And the reason is your inspector went and did everything that was bargained for according to his standards. And I think that's the piece that sometimes people miss. They think the whole building is accessible. It's not always. It's not always safe to be accessible. But your bargain for value was still met because you got the inspection report that you paid for. I'm Britt from WB Treese Consultants and WBTC3.com. Thanks again.